Hey guys, this is North back again with another video. Today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and discussion about Diptyque's Benjoin Boheme. Now this particular fragrance was something I had been wanting to get in for a very long time. I'm not sure how long it was, but it was a little bit of a struggle for me to get it where I live because it's already not readily available. I couldn't find too many websites that had it, but Selfridges had it, so I ordered it once. This one retails for 200 American dollars, and here they sell Diptyque at a couple of different Harvey Nichols and Bloomingdale's, but they have some of the 34s, but they didn't have this one. Had this one on Selfridges. I ordered it, and then I ordered a couple of things from there before, but they had this promotion. Hey, if you spend $50 or whatever it is, then you get free international shipping. And I was like, well, since basically I was like, okay, I may order again before or in the future, so let me go ahead and sign up for that. That didn't end up working. They would not ship a perfume because there's regulations to shipping perfume and flammable things abroad. They would not do it, so it had to be returned. So that was a bummer. But the good thing about Selfridges is that they were diligent about getting the product back into their stock and giving me my refund. So I didn't know when I was ever going to get it again, because that one I bought said it was the last one. And so months later, I saw it pop up, and I had an opportunity. I had them take off that promotion off of my account because I had received perfumes before, no problem, through Aramex. So I ordered it again, and even then, once I got it shipped, it took forever just to get to where I live. And once it was here, it was another few days for me to get it. I didn't know if I was going to get it, so I had to go all the way down to the main office to pick it up. So I finally got it in my hands. As I've mentioned in maybe in previous videos, maybe on my Instagram, is that I'm really into the note of incense and the genre of incense-based fragrances. Now this one is in the name, Benjoin. So this is a benzoin-based fragrance, and benzoin is a resin which has vanillic and sweet qualities to it, and there isn't any even vanilla in the note breakdown of this. So this one, let's get it open so you can see. So it comes in this nice box, of course. Okay, and then it comes in this pouch. This is a 100 milliliter bottle, Eau de Parfum concentration. So the main notes on this are benzoin, sandalwood, styrax, and patchouli. There's also angelica in it. But it is very sweet. You do get a vanilla quality from it, and some people say that with patchouli, for example, you get maybe some chocolatiness to it. I don't necessarily get that. Waste of spray. But when I first wanted to get this, because there was a couple of reviewers that this was at the top of their list as far as top Diptyques and top benzoin prominent fragrances, so I really wanted to get it in my collection. And so I finally got it, and I'm doing this video because I'm like, did it really live up to the hype? And before I get to that, I thought that it was going to be more resinous. I didn't know it was going to be like more sweet kind of. And so I didn't know what to expect. I thought I was going to be able to categorize this into my incense category. But no, this is another thing. This is the benzoin. So it's more resinous and not smoky or anything like that. And so when I spray it on, you do get the sweetness from it. You do get the sandalwood, and sandalwood also has some sweet aspects to it, and then you do get a little bit of patchouli in it. So it's not gourmandy, but it is sweet. And at the end of the day, was this worth the effort and the time and the money to get this in? And I would say yes, it was. Usually you go through a lot of trouble and you're like, oh, it really wasn't worth the trouble. But this one was. I'm very, very happy that I got this into my collection, and I'm glad that Selfridges had it. I'm glad that they had good customer service, and that's pretty much it. So maybe in the future I'll do my top 5 or something like that of my favorite benzoin or resinous type of scents that are not, the incense genre. And so I just wanted to just show you this, show you the unboxing, show you the bottle, give you my feedback on how I was able to get it and where I got it from, and whether I thought it was worth the trouble of getting it. And at the end of the day, I would say yes, it was. As far as being a collector or a person that is really into fragrance. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.